Hi, my name is Diana Manitai from Red Bricks Real Estate here in the Waikato. If you're a first home buyer or an investor looking for a low maintenance property, this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom brick beauty could be for you. Welcome to 37A Cameron Road in the popular suburb of Hamilton East in Hamilton. Come on, let's take a closer look. Situated down a long right-of-way, this low-maintenance brick home offers privacy and an easy care lifestyle. Located within easy walking distance to local shops, close to the Waikato University and zoned for some top schooling, this is an ideal opportunity for first home buyers or an investment to add to your portfolio. This 1960s brick home has 3 decent-sized bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, with separate living, dining and kitchen. The kitchen offers plenty of storage, has been modernised, complete with dishwasher, hob and range hood. There is a heat pump and DVS system to ensure comfort all year round. The backyard is low maintenance but with enough room to kick a ball around and is fully fenced, so perfect for the little ones and fur babies. Parking won't be an issue with a single detached garage and plenty of parking space for visitors or flatmates. Extremely tidy throughout, but with potential to add value, this property will appeal to many. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We'll be selling by way of negotiation, which means no fixed price. We have a detailed information pack available on this property, so please do not hesitate to contact me or one of the team to arrange your own private viewing or pop along to one of our open homes. I'd love to meet you.